Okay guys, I'm going to work through the first example for you so you'll kind of get an idea of what they're wanting. Okay, a store sells two brands of headphones, high definition and basic. It buys X HD headphones at Z dollars each and Y basic headphones at W dollars each. And I have already handwritten to kind of like summarize that to make it easier. X represents the number of HD headphones. Z represents the price of the HD headphones. Y is the number of basic headphones. And W is the price of the basic headphones. Okay, so in A through C, they want us to write an equation whose solution is the given quantity. Do not solve, just set them up. Okay, so let's look at A. The number of basic headphones the store can purchase if it spends a total of $10,000 on headphones and buys 110 HD headphones for $70 each. Okay, so they're asking you to figure out the number of basic headphones that they can purchase. Well, we already know the number of basic headphones is represented by Y. So we know it's going to be Y equals. Okay, now to figure out how much they can spend on the basic headphones, the number of headphones they can buy, we've got to figure out how much money they have left to spend on those. So, it said they spent a total of $10,000. But out of that $10,000 was for 110 HD headphones at $70 each. So before you can know how many basics you can buy, you've got to see how much is left when 110 was spent on HD ones. So let's do the math. Okay, that's going to give me, when you multiply 110 times 70, you get 7,700. Okay, and then you subtract. Okay, so you have $2,300 left to purchase basic headphones with out of that original $10,000. So we know that W is the price for basic headphones. So to figure out how many that you can buy, the final equation would be Y, which is what? The number of basic headphones. We got $2,300 left to spend, and we would have to divide that by W, which is the price. When you divide the $2,300 by the price of the basic, that'd let you know how many of the basics you can buy. Okay, I hope that makes sense. That's pretty much what they want you to do on B and C, and let me know if you need any help.